Hey, it's Phil from Houte Bootcamps, and today I'm going to give you a goal setting strategy that will make it inevitable that you will reach your goals. Now, a lot of times we have these big lofty goals somewhere in the future that we want to achieve one day. It's good to have this vision, it's good to have this big dream and this final result. But often we ask ourselves, how will we be able to reach this goal? How will I make this outcome inevitable? Now, a great strategy to use is something which is called inevitability thinking. You sit down, you reflect, and you think, what would make this outcome inevitable? What small, consistent steps could I take daily that will make this final result inevitable? Now, when we talk about small steps taken consistently, we easily end up with habits. These are things that you do daily, consistently, related to the most important thing or your main focus that you know will lead to that big goal you want to reach. If you have a fixed task and routine each day, it will demand less willpower, you don't have to choose, you don't have to decide, and you will have more focus and more clarity. Inevitability thinking makes you go to the future and track it back to now. You can almost look at it as a set of dominoes. You put down a domino and you knock it down each day. If you consistently knock down those small dominoes each day, it will make sure that you will be able to knock down that big domino in the end. That is the domino effect. Extraordinary success is not simultaneous, it's sequential. Small successes each day with those small dominoes will make sure you will hit that big domino and that big success one day. Because ordinary actions taken consistently will provide extraordinary results. Inevitability thinking sets up the conditions that will make your outcome inevitable. So you want to set up conditions for inevitable success. If you have to decide each day what you will focus on, you won't have the benefits of the compound effect. If you have decided what your essential task will be, it will become easier and easier to do it because you're used to doing a certain task at a certain time daily and consistently. For instance, in the first 2 hours of the day, I'll make my videos and edit them. It's very clear what I'm going to do, and if I keep on doing this daily, it will make it inevitable that I will keep on growing and I will build my audience. I don't have to wake up in the morning and decide what I will do or what I will focus on or what my most important tasks are. It's very clear what some steps are that I have to take to make my outcome inevitable. It's about setting up conditions that will make your personal growth and success inevitable. So think about the final result you want to have in the future. Then track it back to now. Look at all the steps you have to take to make sure that you reach that goal. Think, what step could you take to make this outcome inevitable? The best thing you could do is make it a habit. Make it very clear what you will do, what you will focus on, and when you will do it. That way, a big part of your day is already set up for success. Daily success, weekly success, yearly success, and success related to that goal you want to achieve. It's not about the fast, big step. It's about those small steps that you take daily. And when you decide which steps matter the most, you will make a lot more progress than having to decide each day what you will do. So do this goal setting exercise. Think about what will make your success inevitable. Turn it into a habit and turn it into small steps taken consistently. That's how we constantly optimize for success, and we compound it day by day, week by week, and year by year. Hey, it's Phil from Houte Bootcamps, and if you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe and check out some more videos about how to overcome laziness, procrastination, and do more in less time.